We often get asked, can I fit plastic bags to my DM1360 or 2660 machine? And the answer is yes, but there is a couple of things you need to know. So firstly, the plastic bag, obviously this is not a filter bag, is purely there to assist in emptying the bucket without having too much airborne dust. So we sit the bag inside the bottom bucket here, and it's just an easy way to contain the dust in there, and then you can zip tie it off and pull the bag out of the bin. So I'll show you how to do that now. There's a couple of things we need to look at. So firstly, we just remove the head, of course, as usual, and we'll put that aside. And then we're left with the bucket, as you can see here. This particular model is a very small one. It's a 1360, designed to be compact, so the bucket is not very deep. Now, on the head of the machine, you'll see there's a ring here. We need to keep the plastic bag away from that ring. So for that reason, when we're installing the plastic bag, we unfold the bag. It's easiest just to push it in and lay the plastic bag over the rim of the bucket. Now, you will notice that the bags we have here have little holes 100 mils down from the top. There's one there, and there should be one on the other side as well. So it's a good idea, well, it's imperative that we put that hole, this hole here, down below the rim of the bucket. Do that for the other side as well. Try and make it easy for you to see. We have the hole just inside the rim of the bucket. It's very important this hole's there, and that equalises the pressure between the bag underside and the upper side of the bag, so the bag doesn't lift up inside the vacuum. The reason why it would lift up is because it lets air in underneath, and because there's no way to equalise the pressure, the bag will lift up inside. So we need to make sure these two holes are just inside the rim of the canister, as you can see here. Once you have that set, make sure the bag is right up against the bucket all the way around neatly, as you can see here, and that is to keep it away from this protector ring here. Once you're happy with that, you can sit the head of the machine back on here and clamp the bucket down as usual. Now, it's very important that the bucket has a good seal, because as mentioned before, you don't want the plastic bag to get too much air underneath and lift the bag up inside. If you're having the bag lift up inside, it's just not equalising, or it's got a big leak under here. You need to check the seals on the underside of this canister here against the bucket. Then of course, when we're emptying the bag, we'll undo these clips all round, take the head off, and at this point this bag will be full of dust, of course. We have enough bag around the outside here to be able to lift it up carefully, bring it together, and grab a zip tie and zip tie it off, and you can dispose of the bag safely without breathing any dust. It's very important we don't breathe the concrete dust, as it contains silica, free silica, which leads to silicosis. Thanks for watching.